All right, good afternoon, class. I'm not at school because I had an emergency. But what I do want you all to use is the notes from yesterday and the worksheet from yesterday. So what you're gonna do is go into your Google Classroom, click on this link that says Desmos, and it will take you to Desmos. The only thing that I wanted to teach you, if you go to the last page, second to last page of your notes. As you can see when you open up the link, the only thing that I want to teach you is how to create a box plot in Desmos. So if you open up Desmos, and then all you would have to do is type in box plot and then do parentheses. And then you can put in whichever one you want, capital L. It'll make a box plot for you. You could do M if you like, but you gotta zoom over to see it, okay? Or you can do both of them if you like. I just want to show you how to do it. Box plot. I got M in there already, so I'll go back and do L. Sorry, it's really hard for me to do this on my phone. So as you can see, I have both box plots on there. That's all I want to show you from there. All right, then now what I want you to do is on the worksheet, on the very, very, very back of your worksheet, you'll see example 6 on the very, very back. It's a box plot. So if you look at the answers that it's asking you, the 4, 5 number summary and box plot go together. It's on the board on the right-hand side. Okay. Sorry, my video got cut off. But you'll see the minimum number is 17. I'm looking at the graph at the top, the box plot at the top. The Q1 is, I believe, 18. And then median is 20. Q3 is 22, and the maximum is 23. And then if it asks you for the range is the maximum number minus the minimum number. So that would be 23 minus 17. So that means your range is 6. Then it asks you for what the IQR is. IQR is Q3 minus Q1. So that's 22 minus 18. So that will give you 4. Then I believe off the top of my head, the last question asks you what percent of data is below Q3. If you can read what's on the board to the right in red and green, everything below Q3 is 75%. So the answer to that is 75%. And then the second question, I believe it says, how much of the data is above the median? So I believe that would be 50%. So from the median to the maximum is 50% of the data. And then from, it says how much is in between Q1 and the median. That's 25%. Now, so that should be done. Your notes are finished. The only thing that I need completed now is the single sheet of paper that you picked up yesterday. If you did not do 1, 4, and 7, that's why you have P right here, and you can do the mean of P. And I already put the data in there for you. You could do the mean of P, then you can go back and do median. All right, whatever you need to do, whatever, okay? So finish 1, 4, and 7 on the front. And then on the back, answer those 4 questions on the back. Number 4 on the back says, give me, draw and label a box plot with the terms. So that's what it should be. And I only want the single sheet. I do not want the notes. If I have a note from anybody, I'm going to be disappointed. I only want the single sheet. Make sure your name is on it. Thank you. See you all next week.